हामी घरमै छौं हाम्रो यहाँ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ हामीलाई लिन आउनु यता कुनै पनि
Although the monsoon season in Nepal, which usually lasts from June to September, has already ended, on October 3rd, heavy rains once again struck the central and eastern provinces of the country. They caused devastating floods and landslides. The provinces of Bagmati, Madhesh, and Koshi were the hardest hit. Water levels in 8 major rivers exceeded dangerous marks. In the Koshi River, one of the largest waterways in the region, the water rose to more than twice its normal level. At the Koshi Barrage Dam, a critical water flow level of over 18 million cubic feet per second was recorded, and a state of high alert was declared. All 56 floodgates had to be opened instead of the usual 10 to 12, and bridge traffic was restricted to emergency services only. Rivers that overflowed their banks flooded residential areas. Thousands of people were forced to leave their homes. More than 20,000 police officers were deployed for rescue operations. Due to heavy rainfall and poor visibility, all domestic flights were temporarily suspended. Major roads connecting the capital, Kathmandu, with other regions were blocked, some by landslides, others as a precautionary measure. This occurred just as hundreds of thousands of people were returning to the capital after celebrating Dashain, the country's main festival, when residents traditionally travel to their hometowns to visit family.
अलिकति पनि उता बाहिरतिर गयो भने हामीले बगाएर लाने चान्सहरु छ र हामी देख्न सक्छौं यहाँ प्रत्यक्ष रूपले कि यस्तो भइराछ.
In the Langtang Conservation Area, an overflowing river swept away 4 tourists who are now listed as missing. Landslides blocked routes to Mount Everest, and travelers were advised to use alternative trails. In Ilam district, torrential rains triggered numerous landslides that destroyed homes and claimed the lives of at least 37 people. The disaster struck at night while residents were asleep. In the village of Goes, a landslide buried a house, killing 6 members of one family. According to experts, most of the affected areas were not previously considered high-risk zones, so the destruction came as a complete surprise. In the southern parts of the country, lightning strikes killed 3 people. As of October 6th, the disaster had claimed 60 lives, with 11 more people reported missing.
কোন সময় কি কি হয়ে যাবে ঠিক নাই এই দিকে অবস্থা আরো টাইট ওই তাড়াতাড়ি হল लु हेर त के भए पनि यस्तो 45 तिर यस्तो घटना भएको
The heavy rains also affected neighboring countries. In Darjeeling, India, in the state of West Bengal, at least 20 people died overnight on October 6th. Bridges and roads were destroyed, and vast areas were flooded. In western Bhutan, unprecedented rainfall created an emergency situation at the Tala hydroelectric plant. In just 7 hours, the dam's discharge rate increased more than sixfold, causing water to overflow the dam. The world is already feeling the full force of rapidly escalating climate disasters, a reality that can no longer be denied. Scientists of the international research group ALLATRA have long warned that the scale of cataclysms will grow exponentially, and what we see today is only the beginning. At the same time, they offer a clear path toward overcoming the climate crisis. Dr. Egan Chalakian speaks in detail about this. The only question that remains is, will we listen in time, while there is still a chance to stop the approaching chaos?